Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are today? Well, I got me a little help today from AT&T rep. I want to thank Jason down in Florida, around Orlando area up there, Sanford, Florida. And he knows what a crawfish ball is about. But anyway, he helped me out. Jason helped me out with my phone. I think I got a lot of memory on it, and he helped me with it. So we're going to check it out on this video. First video. Thanks, Jason, from AT&T Tech Support. Hey, I want to make this go viral. Crawfish ball by Kobe. Alright, Jamie Bazeron's in it. My good partner down here in South Louisiana. RCA, registered coon ass. Alright. Wayne Toops is in it. He's singing in it. And this is a spin-off, a parody of I Want to Be a Rock Star by Nickelback. So I'm going to have it. I'm going to have it a little. I'm going to just show the video a little bit. More water crawfish. Right down the road from me. DI's not far down the road from me. I don't know if this is copyrighted or what. I think it is, according to that. But it's about the crawfish ball. Instead of I want to be a rock star, I want a crawfish ball. There's Jamie right here coming up. Yeah, I know that's right. That's Jamie Bazeron's signature saying. That's right. I'm going to put the link on here. Oh, yeah. That's a good song. Very good song. Good spin-off. Playing Wayne Toops music.
Man, how you gonna eat that with them gloves on? Hey, I want a crawfish bar. We could head on over to Cajun Claws or save on down in Merman Top. Anywhere between Moe's and D.I.'s is fine with me. Man, dig big, yeah. Got a spread newspaper all over the place.
Oh, yeah. He said, man, they big, yeah. Well, look. There it is right there, Kobe. Alright, I don't know him, but I think I might meet him here pretty soon. I'm going to help this make go viral. I just saw it today. I done copied and pasted this thing 110 times today. So I'm trying to help this fella Cajun out. Boudreaux and Eunice, on call. Pluta.